In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Helium 10's Cerebro to do keyword research and optimise your product's listings like a professional. If you want to find out exactly what keywords your competitors are ranking for on Amazon and how we can reverse engineer their success, so Cerebro by Helium 10 is one of the most powerful tools you can use. Instead of guessing what keywords you should be targeting, you can use data-driven insights pulled directly from your competition. Cerebro is a reverse ASIN lookup tool, meaning you can enter any product's ASIN. The ASIN being the unique identifier of the product, and upon using Cerebro you instantly get to see the keywords it's sponsoring for, how much traffic those keywords get, and where it ranks on each specific keyword on Amazon. Meaning the higher the organic rank for that product is, from 1 to 16, and number 1 being the highest, the more sales they are getting, so you know what keywords to target. If you're getting ready to launch a new product on Amazon, Cerebro should be the first tool you open. It's all about starting smart, because launching blindly can cost you time and money. Cerebro gives you a complete map of what's actually working data-wise in your market. You'll know which keywords are worth targeting in your listing, which ones to bid on PPC campaigns, and where the low competition opportunities are hiding. It's like having a behind the scenes look at what's helping your competitors succeed, so you can build your strategy around data instead of guesswork, and helps you focus only on terms that are actually converting. Whether it's your first product launch or your 5th, Cerebro gives you the competitive edge you need to get visibility, get clicks, and start converting faster. Now that you know what Cerebro is, let's get into what makes it such a game changer when you actually start using it. One of the first things you'll notice is the massive keyword list that Cerebro gives you from just one ASIN. We're not talking 10 or 20 keywords, you'll often see hundreds, sometimes even thousands, but this isn't just a dump of data. You can sort and filter by exact match search volume, ranking positions, organic versus sponsored rank, and even keyword frequency across multiple ASINs. This is where Cerebro goes from being just a keyword tool to an enhanced weapon. You can see which keywords your competitors are generating the most sales from, and which ones they are sponsoring, and which keywords they rank highly for organically. This is gold when you're planning your launch, optimising a listing, or building a PPC campaign. One of my favourite features is the IQ score. It quickly tells you which keywords have high traffic but relatively low competition. This means you can find gems your competitors might be overlooking, and now you're working with precision instead of trial and error. Cerebro just doesn't give you what people are searching, it shows you how your competitors are capturing that traffic and what you can do to beat them. When you start stacking multiple ASINs into Cerebro, say the top 3 to 5 bestsellers in your niche, you unlock something called keyword overlap. This shows you exactly which keywords all your competitors are targeting successfully. These are high intent, high traffic keywords you know are working. You can even isolate unique keywords that one competitor ranks for that others don't, giving you insight to their specific audience targeting. Whether you're just starting out or scaling your existing brand, Cerebro can help you shortcut the process by revealing exactly what's working for others and how you can apply that to your own listings. Don't worry if all this sounds confusing, it's going to make a lot more sense by the end of this video. So let's jump right in with an example. I've already got Helium 10 installed into my browser. If you want to do the same, the link's in the description. So we are going to head over to Amazon, and the method and steps I'm about to show you will work with any product that you select on Amazon. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the keyword flower girl basket. So you can see there's a few options here at the top, and already I can see that there is demand for this keyword. Also, Amazon now tells you roughly how many products have sold this month or has been brought multiple times for each individual product that is getting sales. There is another tool by Helium 10 called X-Ray that is much more accurate on units sold by providing you with an estimated revenue. If you want to learn more about X-Ray, please check our description in this video, and a link will take you to our Helium 10 tutorial from start to finish, as I've made a playlist just for you. As you can see here, Helium 10's Chrome extension gives you a listing health score and their current reviews rating. These are very important metrics to take note of. I'm just going to click Analyze and just check which ones are crossed red. As you can see, there's only two, which is the main image not having a white background and the title being slightly short of 150 characters. It's performing amazing already, but could perform better if they got this score 10 out of 10. However, they're generating over 1,000 sales per month, which is still outstanding. If you did not know, Amazon's policy is to have the main images on a white background. This listing is not using over 150 characters, which means it could be missing out on valuable keyword space, especially in the title, as the title gives you the most ranking juice, and it's one of the first things a customer sees as well as the image. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit and look at their bullet points. If I'm honest, they're extremely basic and they're a bit too short for my liking, as I feel that they could have more information for their customers, as well as having more keywords added into their listing, as having more information in your bullet points can really sell the product and drastically improve your sales, especially if the bullet points are keyword rich from what you find in Cerebro. This will massively help your visibility on Amazon. Now, I want to see if this product has good demand of keywords, as it's acquiring a lot of sales per month. I grabbed the ASIN of the competitor's product on Amazon by using Helium 10's Chrome extension, where it says product summary. This allows me to copy and paste the ASIN into Cerebro. Now let's head over to Cerebro and let's reverse engineer their keywords. So I'll paste the ASIN into the tool and hit get keywords. Make sure that you have the correct country selected as well that you are looking into. Within seconds, Cerebro pulls up a list of keywords that this product is ranking for. This is absolute gold. Then I filter down the keywords. I usually set the minimum search volume to 300. This ensures at least 300 people are regularly searching a specific keyword, so it narrows down the amount of relevant keywords needed for us to aim for. I then set the organic rank from 1 to 16. I like to do this because I know that the keywords for this product is ranking on page 1 and they're the most relevant keywords I should be looking at, as there is only 1 to 16 products on page 1. It's very rare that people go to page 2. You can also filter more with other metrics here, but for now we're just going to keep it simple. Once these fields have been filled out, go ahead and hit apply filters. I sort the results by search volume to prioritise the most popular search terms to the lowest search terms, as the bigger the search volume, the bigger the market demand is for it. So now it's been filtered from highest to lowest. I can see the keywords. Flower Girl Basket has 33,000 search volume, which is very impressive. The other keywords below also have good search volume, so there is a nice spread of traffic looking for the same product. Now I'm just going to scroll over to the right hand side, where you can see something called sponsored rank. This means they are rank 1 at top of page 1 sponsored for this keyword, meaning that they are paying to be in that position. Whoever's willing to bid the most for that keyword through PPC, which means pay per click, will get the position and visibility for the top of that search phrase. There is something else called organic rank, which means where your product is positioned on Amazon without any sponsoring, and they're rank 3, which is very impressive, as this means with sponsoring and organic rank they are showing up twice, which improves the chances of being clicked and brought by potential customers more often than others. Organic rank is something you gain over time. Once you sponsor a keyword, you gain a sponsored rank, and as you are getting sales at the same time, your organic rank starts to build. In the beginning, most of your sales will be from sponsored, but as your listing grows, it gains rank in Amazon naturally, as long as you have a strong SEO optimized listing. Now, I'm just going to have a look and see if there's any long tail keywords which could be used for sponsoring or used as a title. As we know, the main keyword is called Flower Girl Basket. So let's scroll down a bit. I found a keyword called Flower Girl Baskets for weddings, which is known as a long tail keyword. This means it's usually longer and specific, but contains the highest search keyword within it. This is perfect to have at the beginning of a title, as you'll be ranking for all these highest search keywords. Not only that, in some cases, some competitors you come across may not even know this keyword exists, or even has it in their title or bullet points, meaning they won't be ranking for it, and you can come in and take that spot. If you want to see how I create a keyword-rich title, bullet points, and description using Helium 10's tools called Scribbles, be sure to stick around at the end of the video, and I'll leave the video there just for you to check out. Scribbles is another powerful tool which is used alongside with Cerebro and Magnet. You take all the keywords from Cerebro and Magnet and then put them into scribbles, and then this allows you to easily organise the keywords in search volume order. Then it will automatically cross them out as you use them in your title, bullet points and description, and keep track of how many times you've used each keyword so that you can make sure all the important keywords have been included in your listing to give you the best possible chance at ranking. This is why I think Helium 10 without a doubt is the best software to be used when finding products, as well as abstracting data from listings on Amazon and building a keyword-rich product listing, as the data shows you important information which is needed for any business. The way I like to look at this is if there's 30,000 search volume and you know you can abstract at least 10% of that into sales, and if you know that you can abstract at least 10% of that into sales, you'll be selling 3,000 products a month, and that can just be on one keyword. This is why search volume is such a crucial metric to have, as it lets you know there's demand rather than just assuming it. It also helps ensure that products you find have a long-term sustainability. All of this is made possible with the help of a powerful tool called Cerebro. Once your listing is live and your PPC campaigns are running, Cerebro still plays a major role because the keyword game doesn't stop after launch. This is where Helium 10's keyword tracker comes in. After you've identified your product target keywords through Cerebro, you can add them to Keyword Tracker to monitor your organic rank and sponsored rank over time. From this, it tells you whether your efforts are working and if your keyword rank is moving up, or is it holding steady, or is it even losing rank to a competitor. If you notice a dip in the rank, you can react fast, maybe adjust your title or increase your bids if sponsoring a specific keyword. Thanks to Helium 10, you're no longer flying blind. You're making data-driven decisions backed by real-time insights. Cerebro also helps you stay one step ahead of your competitors by running regular reverse ASIN checks. Even monthly, you can see if your competitors have started ranking for new keywords that you are not ranking for. If they're shifting their PPC focus or if they've lost position, you can take advantage of this. It's a proactive way to constantly refine your strategy and protect your market share. And finally, when you're ready to scale into new products or variations, Cerebro is your best friend. You already know how to use it. Plug in similar ASINs, study what's working, and build a launch plan based on real results. It turns every new product into a calculated, strategic move, not just a gamble. Cerebro isn't just a keyword tool. It's a competitive edge that helps you launch smarter, rank faster, and grow more confidently on Amazon, saving you a lot of time and money. Another powerful way to use Cerebro is to analyse seasonality and keyword trends. For example, you might notice certain keywords spike during Q4 or summer months. So with Cerebro's historical data, you can see how a competitor's rank has changed over time. That gives you insights into not just what to target, but where to focus your efforts. Let's say you're selling a product with holiday potential. Cerebro can help you prep months in advance by analysing past year's keywords performance, and when the search volume starts to increase, you can time your PPC campaigns, adjust your inventory, and plan your content strategy around peak demands. You're not reacting to the market, you're anticipating it. You can also use Cerebro to uncover niche keyword opportunities that big sellers might be ignoring. Just because your competitor is winning on high volume terms doesn't mean that's where you should compete. Sometimes the gold is in mid-low competition keywords, and Cerebro helps you find those hidden gems that are easier to rank for and more cost effective to advertise on. Another advanced tactic is to run Cerebro on your own ASIN. It's easy to forget, but checking your own keyword footprints helps you spot missed opportunities. Maybe you're ranking for keywords you didn't even realise you were converting on. Maybe you're running ads on terms you're already ranking in the top 3 for, which could be a chance to shift budget to other keywords that have more potential. That internal audit alone can save you money and sharpen your strategy. The point is, Cerebro isn't just for product research or launches. It's a tool you should come back to constantly as your business grows. The best Amazon sellers don't just use data once, they use it continuously to optimize, adjust, and outperform all of their competitors. For those considering using Helium 10, I have provided a link in the description below. If you do decide to use the link, you get a discount, and it helps support the channel here at Freedom Pass, as it helps us make more content just for you. Additionally, if you're someone who's looking to start an Amazon FBA business or just don't know the correct path to take, I have created a step-by-step guide, the full A to Z on selling on Amazon FBA and how to create passive income. More information on that can be found by clicking the link in the description to our website. Head over to myfreedompass.com/Amazon FBA to check it out, and we look forward to bringing you into the Freedom Pass family. Please like, subscribe, and ask any questions in the comments. I'll respond to those as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.